Hello mga ka-Jomax! Ang ituturo po natin ngayon ay ang pag-create ng job.
Set station, set orientation, and surveying gamit ang Alpha TI.
Press menu. Simply press the numeric key 2 to enter survey, then press 1 to enter surveying. Select 1 to set job. Then press F3. Input your preferred file name for the job and press enter. Then input your preferred file name for the user and press enter. Then select F4. Select 2 to set station. Press input. Input the assumed northings, eastings, and zenith distances. Press record.
Select 3 for set orientation. Press 1 to select angle orientation. Then aim on backside. Press OK, then press enter. Press 4 for surveying. Then aim at the target, then press all to measure distances.
Thank you for watching! Like, share, and subscribe!